crisp, clear night. The moon hangs luminously in the sky, casting its silvery glow over Earth. Suddenly it vanishes. Darkness swallows the landscape. The stars seem lonelier. The world feels unnervingly different. Have you ever stopped to think about how significant that glowing orb is to life on our planet? What would happen if the moon, the ever-present guardian of our skies, disappeared entirely? Brace yourselves as we explore a world without the moon and the shocking changes it could bring. Let's start with something we all know but rarely think about: the ocean tides. Ocean waves lap gently at a moonlit shore, but this delicate balance depends almost entirely on the moon. It's the moon's gravitational pull that works with Earth to orchestrate the rhythmic rise and fall of our tides. Now imagine that pull gone. Coastal areas would experience extreme chaos. Some regions would plunge into stagnant waters with little tidal activity, while others could face unpredictable floods and violent storm surges powered purely by the sun's weaker gravitational forces. Our oceans, lifelines for billions of species, would turn chaotic, affecting ecosystems and even weather patterns around the globe. But tidal chaos isn't the only shock awaiting us. Did you know the moon also has a hand in stabilizing Earth's rotation? Its gravitational influence keeps our wobbling tilt in check, which is why we have predictable seasons. Without it, Earth would spin faster, shortening our days by several hours. Worse, the planet's tilt could veer wildly over time, leading to devastatingly unpredictable seasons. One decade could bring unbearable heat waves worldwide. The next, catastrophic snowstorms blanketing what were once the tropics. Farming would turn into a game of chance, ecosystems would collapse, and global climates would careen toward chaos. This all sounds terrifying enough, but let's step out of the oceans and skies and look closer at the ground. The moon doesn't just guide the tides, it lights the way for countless nocturnal creatures. From coyotes hunting under its beam to sea turtles navigating moonlit beaches to lay their eggs, animals have evolved to depend on the moon's direction. Without it, their instincts would falter. Entire species could struggle to survive, cascading into widespread disruptions of food chains. And what about us, humans? A darker night sky might seem like a small thing, but it's tied to our internal clocks. The moon subtly influences sleep cycles, mental health, and even cultural rhythms. Without its grounding presence, human sleep patterns could spiral into disorder over time, impacting our health in surprising ways. As this thought experiment unfolds, it's clear: the moon is more than just a beautiful celestial jewel. It's an anchor for Earth's balance, a quiet guardian that holds us steady amidst the cosmic dance. Now pause for a moment and imagine an Earth plunged into tidal chaos, spinning faster, cloaked in darkness. A world forever changed. Could life as we know it even survive? What if the moon vanished? Earth might not just change, it might no longer feel like home. Let us know what you think in the comments. What part of the moon's role surprised you the most? And don't forget to look up tonight, because that glowing orb might just mean more than you've ever realized.